guys, this is Liquid Ocelot. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to add links to Sidebar in a subreddit. So guys, what I'm going to do is show you first of all, this is my Sidebar. Its title is Other Medium Related Subreddit, and as this is a medium related subreddit, so I have added some other subreddits which people can post on, and medium posts, medium authors, and medium partner program, and they all are easy to post on, to be honest with you. So let me show you how I did it. Go to the mod tools, go to community appearance. Once you are in community appearance, you'll have to click on sidebar widgets. So I clicked there, sidebar widgets, and I click on community list. This is already made, community list. So as you can see, the widget title I have already named it, Other Medium Related Subreddits. I have chosen the colors, which is black color, background color, title color, and the communities I have already chosen. So what I'm going to do is add another community just for you guys. Illumination. This is a subreddit, my friends. Illumination writers. Illumination is a very powerful subreddit, my friends. Is a very powerful medium publication, and they have their own subreddit. So I'll add this one as well. So I'll click apply. I have chosen it after searching, and click apply and then save. So once I have saved it, it's saved in this. So I'll go back, click on this subreddit and refresh the page because I have issues without dark mode, and you can see that illumination writers is mentioned. Illumination writers has mentioned. Surprisingly, both these subreddits, my medium millionaire subreddit and illumination writer subreddit, have 170 members. So guys, this is how you add links to other subreddits in your sidebar in your subreddit. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification for future update. Thanks for watching. Take care.